Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Vajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center 67/70 Pusa Toli Road, Barsan Bazar, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India, and is before you. Today, in the series of integrated diagnosis, treatment, management, which should be comprehensively and in homeostatic manner. So this part 2 is for the concept of how the idea generated in my mind to integrate the medical systems each other as it was practiced in Western Germany at Krankenhaus für Naturheilwesen, Harlaching, Munich. So in this way, when I went in 1973 to study the advanced level of homeopathy in Krankenhaus für Naturheilwesen, so this is my passport and passport number, and this is my photo when I went to in 1973 to Western Germany. And here in this hospital I studied homeopathy in advanced level, and here I get the idea of integrated medical systems, which was very unique, and I was surprised how they are using each and every way in all patients the degree of allopathy, homeopathy, phytotherapy, hydrotherapy, physiotherapy, and non-medicinal systems. So Dr. Seymour Wan was Shepherds in 1973, and he was very kind enough to me, and he has written a book which is you are shown here, and I studied it. He recommended me to study this book, and we came in 1977 in India. This is the time of photo when at Vigyan Bhavan he visited with his wife Frau Zimmermann, and I am with him. Here is the photo. Now he is no more, but I wanted him. Overall, how he is. After coming back from Western Germany, I established my own laboratory, own pathological laboratory, and a small hospital with clinic along with the diagnosis systems which were available at that time in our country. So I collected all and started my practice. Then I arranged an electrocardiography machine for various reasons, because at that time the cardiac patient was not healed as usual as today we are seeing the surgical process or by other means. But round about 50 years back, it was not possible at that time. 50 years ago, it was not possible for a cardiac patient to transplant anything in his body or change anything, or any surgical procedure could be done. So at that time, the cardiac patient came to Ayurvedic or homeopathic or Unani treatment, because in allopathy at that time the treatment was not available for cardiac or cardiac related any complaints. So that's why I have to arrange everything in that level which I consider myself that I should be very confident about the treatment of cardiac patients. So I arranged the ECG machine anyway, which I have told you in another video how I have created a job for electrocardiography arranging machine. So this was the time when I started my practice in Kanpur. So slowly and gradually I adopted this method of diagnosis, and then I shifted to medications. When the diagnosis part is completed, I started to aim at the best of the best available treatment to be provided to patient in all over manner and with the effectiveness of the treatment which I have seen at Germany. So I was like to available that type of the treatment which I studied and practiced with the German doctors in Krankenhaus für Natur Heilwesen, München. So that kind of the treatment at that level of the treatment I was in my mind to provide to my patient. So in this way I tried myself that with the homeopathy and Ayurvedic should be included in allopathy, phytotherapy and other non-medicinal remedial systems. So I tried myself to conjoin Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani along with the allopathic medicines to support the patient in any way and in any disease condition and even in emergency condition what to do with the patient to help him in all the manner. I decided to use every kind of medicine which can be helpful to patient in any way and in any circumstances, even the very acute and emergent to emergent condition. So I use allopathy, I use Ayurvedic medicine, I used Unani medicine, I used homeopathic medicine, and a lot of therapeutics was in my hand at that time. So I use it in all the manner, either in infective stage or in traumatic stage or in very acute stage, physiological, non-physiological, infective disease conditions, symptomatic treatment, and where in need of every kind of therapeutics was in my hand. So this was an opportunity for me to consider the patient in all the manner in way of the diagnosis with the machines and with the pathological investigations which was very few at that time. In hematology 6 or 8 tests were done and in urine that was a very limited test was done. So that was the period with the limitations of diagnosis and we conclude what type of patient is complaint having. So in overall the manner it was a privilege to me to use a lot of medicines in my hand at that time. In between this period I met so many experts of nature cure, so many experts of Ayurveda, so many experts of Unani, so many experts of homeopathy, And there is a number of very eminent personalities in the field of all the four medical system, or you can say all the five, including nature cure and yoga. So I met Dr. Vitthal Das Modi of Arogya Mandir in Gorakhpur, who was running the Gorakhpur Institute of Nature Cure. So I was his student and resides in their Arogya Mandir hospital, and practically he gave me the training of nature cure. About 4 months I lived there in Gorakhpur and trained myself in the nature cure. So I adopted nature cure also in my treatment strategies with the patient. So after that I got the acupuncture training with an expert from Bengal. So they teach me each and everything what was possible with the acupuncture. So I got the training and I started my practice with the acupuncture along with the medicinal treatment and physiotherapy also. So every kind of physiotherapy machine I was having in my clinic. So after that, each and every a single point, a minor point, I want to complete with the patient which he have the problem of incurable disease conditions, and some was that there was no any diagnosis which were happened by the earlier physicians because they could not understand what the patient is having problems. So I took it and being a student of electronics also, you can say electrical and electronics, because at that time the electronics was newly introduced. So some electronic machines were come for the physiotherapy, as a physiotherapy instrument and as a aid to physiotherapy. So I used them, and after using them I found that they can be used as a diagnostic process. So I started them to use in the diagnosis also. Up to some extent, I succeeded and found it the beneficial for the some kinds of neuroskeletal, neuromusculoskeletal problems, and I took it as a diagnostic tool as well as a therapeutic tool. In integrated treatment, you have a large number of medications in your hands, large number of remedies in your hands, and large number of the therapeutics in your hand. In allopathic medicine, the whole allopathic range can be used. In Ayurvedic remedies, the whole Ayurvedic remedies, which is in thousands and thousands and thousands of remedies available of every kind of disease condition to meet out, whatever they may be, or they may, whatever the disease name is, or whatever their nomenclature is, they are all and can be met out by the Ayurvedic remedies, whatever possible, in a large number of and in large number of therapeutics. So similar as to the Unani, and of course with the homeopathy, it have a very large number of symptomatology, thousands and lakhs of symptoms which can be met out to any patient and in any condition, in any situation, and in any sensation, whatever they may be. So there is a wide scope of using allopathic, Ayurvedic, homeopathy, Unani medicines. And for the physical detoxification, there is available yoga and nature cure systems which have excellent therapeutics to use like Dugdha Kalpa, Mattha Kalpa and mud treatment, fasting, limited fasting, rasahar, falahar, dugdhahar, and lot of therapeutic systems which are used in nature cure. They are very beneficial to detoxify the human body and the ailments creating substances. They can be treated well by the nature cure system, and yoga boostly the nature cure therapeutics in curing process. So overall the integrated system is very beneficial for those disease conditions which have which has no treatment or said to be no treatment in allopathic system or modern medical sciences. So they should be adopt the integration of these medicines, and they will find that how they have good scope, a wide scope of treatment strategies in those conditions which are sadh, asadh or incurable disease conditions.